While Brad is out the back building the frame, I'm going to spend some time working on a garden bed just here, in between these two poles. I was tossing up for ages whether to do a garden bed at the front here along the veranda, which is like, I wanted to do one potentially right along the front, but I think for access purposes it makes more sense just to sort of do it in the middle two poles so you can access either side of the veranda. But I think it's a beautiful moment for a garden bed, so I'm happy with that. Got my hat on. Today is like hot and really tropical. It's muggy and hot and bleh, very rainy too, but anyway, let's get on to it. Just as a side note, my veggie garden here is going so well, just bursting to life. I want to pack up these banana lounges and sell them. We just don't use them right now, and I don't think they were a good fit for this area, so we're going to pack those up and sell them. And then the last thing I want to do at the front here is really just clean it up. There are weeds everywhere. I have not maintained any part of it, and if you can see, there's just, I don't know, there's stuff everywhere. I feel like maintenance, it really helps you have a beautiful garden. So let's get started. Good morning. It is the next day and I'm about to get back into the front garden to edge the new garden bed that we built yesterday, and also I want to mulch and edge the other garden beds and our citrus trees, while Brad, as you can hear, continues to frame the house out the back. We wanted to get the framing done in 2 days. We've allowed 2 days for it in our kind of holiday program to build the house, so hopefully he'll get the framing done today, and hopefully the garden beds will get done today as well. So let's get to it. It's not as hot today, thank goodness. Yesterday was a struggle and I have like that sort of tired, aching body from it, but it's fine. We just haven't got our renovation muscles back yet since we had a bit of a break. But we're gonna get into it and get some things done today while we have the time and while it's a bit cooler. Let's go. Good morning. This is very exciting. We are in the back. Here's Brad shooting some noggins in. He is making the wall, the framing wall for our mudroom, which is just here. We're going to show you a proper tour of the back area because you will have just seen that it has been demoed. It's very exciting. We have kind of been waiting for phase 2 to begin. You may not know this because we didn't really mention it on our channel. Excuse the banging. We didn't really mention it on our channel, but Brad had surgery last year, which kind of put a little bit of our work
Surgery!
Put our works on a bit of a hold while he recovered. So it took a bit of time out, but we have begun stage 2, which is our kitchen, living, study nook and laundry / mudroom. So it's a really, really big phase, but we have an ambitious goal. Sorry, my arm is aching. Hold.
You'll get good at it. Do this for a few weeks and you'll be ripped.
Yeah, I'll have muscles on muscles. We have an ambitious goal to host Christmas for 2024, which Brad keeps offering everyone in the family that we're going to host Christmas and our friends, and so he's sort of already committed to it.
There's nothing like a deadline like trying to host a Christmas party in a house that's not built yet.
So that is the ambitious goal. Let's give you a tour. Hang on, let me turn the camera around.
This is going to be our heart of our home, realistically. Like, there's so much happening here. We're going to spend like all of our time living here, right? Like, it's going to be where we spend all of our moments with friends, family, chilling, relaxing. We've got a big lounge room over here, so nice big new fireplace. We're going to redo that, do some cladding, and we've got obviously couches and a TV that's going to go above here.
So we're going to retain a fireplace here. It just might not look like this one.
And then the banquet seating dining area, which is really cool. I think it's really fun to have a bit of like an upholstered see-through here. So this window, still got a bit of framing to do, but it'll be all joinery across here. I'm pretty much standing in the middle of our dining room table. And then across here we've got some joinery and storage on the left here with a really cool cocktail bar, which is going to be really exciting, and our coffee machine there. We've got some bar fridges underneath, which is really exciting, some wine fridges and some bar stuff so we can keep our drinks there.
The really cool thing, see if I can walk on these without falling over. The really cool thing is we'll have joinery like across the whole sides of each room. So the kitchen's here, and joinery's here, and then we'll have a bar area here. What are you laughing at?
Just magic finger. And then a nice big island bench in the middle. So
yeah, the island bench will be like here.
Yeah.
And then we will eventually landscape this out. Have glass along here and landscape this out to be like a very cool outdoor kitchen living space.
Yeah, that's right. And then we can put in some skylights through the roof here just to get in all that nice natural light just shining straight over the kitchen, which is going to be pretty exciting.
It's very exciting. Here, so if the banquet seating is here, this is our laundry mudroom. We always come in from the beach, so we live about 600 metres from the beach. And when we come in, we are always covered in sand. We usually have like lots of stuff with us, towels, bathers. So we want a place where we can come in, drop our stuff, put all our wet stuff aside and then walk into the house. So we're going to put a little outdoor shower in there as well to make sure that we can wash off our feet.
Right, so we have continued on with our framing. You can see Samantha's still banging away, which is awesome. We have, there she is. We're getting all of our strapping on. We've got our plywood bracing here at either end, which is really cool. So the house is like super rigid now, which is amazing. And behind us, you can see the laundry is pretty well fully finished now, which is pretty great. So all the framing's done. We've got a little doorway here, which is awesome. So we're pretty much ready to finish off this bracing at the moment and then get the weather wrap on, which is going to protect our house, which is awesome. So while the sun's shining, we're getting out and about.
We're wrapping the house to get it all sealed up and weather safe, or weather, what would you call it?
Weather wrap.
We're weather wrapping the house. Sisolation. To protect the frame from the weather and give us a nice little indoor space to work with. we had the window. My goodness. We could not have chosen a windier day to do this.
At least you got it all on camera. Just
Just as I
falling.
was talking about wind.
It's a bit windy.
Yes. He got ya. Baby magpie. This is where we're at. This area here, one day we want to turn into a magical veggie garden. But that is some time off, but it's just like such a wasted space. But for now, this is the back of the house we're working on. These will be eventually our big glass doors, but it's going to be covered for now. We're getting there, Brady.
Welcome to this beautiful kitchen that we're so happy that we get to knock more holes in.
More holes.
More holes. So in order to block off the hallway, we still need to access our laundry. So obviously this, in terms of the grand design, is going to be a part of our master suite. So we want to and will be knocking this all down at some stage. So it makes sense to add a hole in here, block off the hallway door that we've got going on so that we can actually access and use the laundry space while we do the renovations in the back. Otherwise, it's just indoor-outdoor mayhem.
One day, this will be a beautiful bedroom, walk-through robe, and ensuite. For now, it's going to be a kitchen and a laundry.
Yeah, with a big old hole in the middle of it.
Hole in the middle of it. Look, it is what it is.
Nothing special, but it's just a functional addition to then do the back. Get it all set up because we have to reframe the hallway wall, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done there. So in order to access the laundry, we have to go through here, which will make this space more livable, especially for the next year, which is going to be really handy. So it is a necessary addition. But I'm excited. I'm going to knock holes in the walls.
That's the next step forward.
Big boy.
I'm just going to grab some milk if you
Oh,
don't mind.
that's fluffy under there.
Just going to have to get some milk for my cup of tea.
Yeah, go for it. Help yourself.
I know it's not the best time to be making a cup of tea. Look, I'm in the kitchen. It's where the tea magic happens. Tea!
Oh no, you got stuck.
Like it'll be a good spot for our master room.
Oh yeah. It was a good choice.
I think this will be very exciting, very good. We officially have a door.
We You have a door.
And
On a functional opening.
this is where the old laundry was.
Fridge relocated, and so much more room for activities.
So much more room. And this is going to be the new...
Master suite.
No, but for now, it's going to be...
The new old laundry.
No.
The new old
No, for now, it's going to be our... For now, it's going to be our kitchen laundry for about a year.
Yes.
1 year.
Yeah, exactly right.
There you go. There you have it. And this is where I'm going to put all the things I'm going to buy in preparation for the reno. That's the plan. I'm going to stack them back there.